Are you facing a challenge? Is this challenge going to take you closer to realising your goals or your intentions? Well, I've got a great mindset switch to help you to realise those goals and intentions more easily. I'm Bella O'Hara. I'm a motivational coach and speaker with Feel Great to Be Productive. For years now, I've been helping people to face their challenges in order to realise their goals and intentions. Do you have goals, intentions, things that you really want to achieve in your life? I think we all do. So do you have a series of challenges that are in the way? I would help you to get through those challenges by doing a couple of things here. Why not focus your mind on exactly what's going to happen when you achieve your goal? Imagine putting the key into the lock of the house that you're buying, opening the door, walking around the house. Imagine your family's faces when you take them on that holiday that is your goal, the holiday of a lifetime. Imagine the outcome of everything you're doing to achieve your goal, and then remember that the challenge is just a stepping stone towards getting that. You'll do it if it's a stepping stone towards the bigger picture. Have some visualization there as well. Have some pictures of the place you want to go to, the house you want to buy, the boat you want to buy, whatever your goal is. Have pictures of it so you're constantly reminded about how important that goal is, and it keeps you focused. Remember, the challenge you're facing is simply a stepping stone towards achieving what it is you're after. Last week, I asked you what challenge you set yourself to push yourself out of your comfort zone. This week, I'd like you to let me know how you're getting on with that challenge. In facing your challenge, what wins have you had and what problems have you had? Share them in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get updates and notifications on my up and coming Mindset Switch videos.